Ashawo.
My sister and I be Ashawo. You know the sister they run matters.
Oh, you book up. No verse, no verse. So how far now? Tell me this up.
Short time, 25,000. Full time, 50K. Are you in or not?
For this kind of yash.
A guy on yash na yash.
Madam on yash no be yash o. Now for this kind of yash you want collect 50K.
Na your more than yash na be 50K.
Oga, in case you dey find cheap girl with big yash, just follow me.
Hey, see problem. Abeg.
Okay, see, you get cheap guess.
Oga, you no go carry me again.
If na you go carry yourself. You say you get cheap guess. Don't show me. Madam, your husband dey?
Oga, come on for my garden stand for this side. I don't observe anytime wey come kitchen, so garden go dey short. You go come and you start say dey find my husband. Chop all the garden, go house, drink water, belle full. I don't tell you, my husband don't travel. So they come kitchen, come find my husband. Come out, and they talk, you see they stand for there. Come out, see me there.
What's happening?
Oh, yeah, boy. The boy, that's not the day. He knocked me. All his friends, they knock me. They won't keep me. They worship my womb. Okay. That's not help you. Won't help me.
Why you no come back here now? As it be saying, na your boss na dey fine. Ojo too. I no get money, waiting again. If I no get money, waiting again. Waiting again.
Neighbor, it's like you don't understand science of life.
How now?
You remember say last 3 years you sing this song. Okay, see again. Last year you sing am. You don't come again this year, come dey sing am.
Yes.
You don't forget say your money no get anything in common.
It's okay.
Money no know you. Now force for money to know you. Wait, you and money just give una self gap. Money dey here, you dey here. Wetin you suppose to dey sing be say if you no get money, hide your face. Wetin you go there dey sing? Idiot.
I no really blame you. I blame you. I blame you. Face me, I face you here. I do how they live. I wasn't bring this thing finish. No worry. This money go soon come. And if he come, now you go first arrest.